Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Opera opens PDF files directly in the browser using its default built-in PDF viewer. But if you want PDF files to download automatically and open in Acrobat Reader or any other PDF application, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Opera on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Opera. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Then click Settings. After that, in the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. On the right, scroll down and click on Site Settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one option, Additional Content Settings. After that, scroll down and click PDF Documents. Here select this one option under default behavior, download PDFs. That's it. From now onwards, when you will browse any website under Opera browser and when you click any PDF link, instead of opening in Opera, it will automatically download on your PC. That's all about this video. Bye.